This is an example from section 2.5 in MGF 1106, application of sets. In this section, the first thing you should do when you're reading through the problem is seeing how many different categories or sets that you have. In this example, it deals with four-year colleges and universities and which degrees they offered. And it appears that there are three different types of degrees: liberal arts, computer engineering, and nursing. Therefore, when we construct our Venn diagram to help us answer the following questions, we're going to need the Venn diagram with three subsets, which has 8 different regions. So let me sketch that down below. Draw the universal set. And then I'm going to have 3 sets. And we'll label them pretty clearly. We'll call this one the liberal arts. This is computer engineering, and this one down here is nursing. Now, in the previous section, we learned that when we had a Venn diagram that had 3 subsets, A, B, and C, and 8 regions, we would start filling in the number of elements in region 5, which was the intersection of all 3 sets, if that information was given. Now, in this problem, it says right here that 28 colleges offered a liberal arts degree, a computer engineering degree, and a nursing degree. That is in the intersection of all 3 sets, which is in region 5, so we know of all the colleges that were surveyed, 28 of them would be in that category where they offer all 3 types of these degrees. It's 39 of those colleges surveyed offered none of these 3 types, which means that would be in region 8, which is outside all 3 sets. So we've taken care of those 2 values. Said 88 have offered a computer engineering degree and nursing degree. 88. Well, computer engineering and nursing, they intersect in that downward football. And we already have 28 colleges in that region, so there will be 60 colleges that offered computer engineering and nursing, but not a liberal arts degree, because it's outside the liberal arts circle. We have 196 colleges offered a liberal arts degree and a nursing degree. So liberal arts and nursing, and means where they intersect. So in this upward football here, in those 2 regions, regions 4 and 5, they have to add up to be 196. We already have 28 colleges accounted for, so there'd be 168. And to describe those colleges, they offer a liberal arts degree and a nursing degree, but not a computer engineering degree, because these 168 are outside of the computer engineering set or circle. 31 colleges and universities offered a liberal arts degree and a computer engineering degree. So liberal arts and computer engineering, that's just like this vertical football. And we have 31 total, but we already have 28 of those accounted for, so there's only 3 colleges. That's 31 minus 28, which is 3, have a liberal arts and a computer engineering, but they're outside of the nursing circle. So 3 schools have liberal arts and computer engineering, but not nursing. 465 offered a nursing degree. So we have 4 regions or areas that make up nursing down there. And we already have 168, 60, and 28 in that circle. I know 168 and 60 add up to be 228, plus another 28 is 256. So if I take 465 and subtract 256, I think I just said, we have to borrow we'll get 901. 109, 109. It would actually be 209 because I didn't borrow from the 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, 209. Those are the ones that only had nursing, and not the other two. 101 offered a computer engineering degree. Computer engineering is this set or circle over here to the right hand side, and inside that circle we already have 3, 28, and 60. I believe that adds up to be 91, so 101 minus 91 would be 10 colleges that offer only computer engineering and not the other two degrees. Again, you can check my math real quick on that, but I'm pretty sure it's 10. And 227 offered a liberal arts degree. So within the liberal arts circle, we have to have 227 colleges. And we already have 3 and 28, which is 31, plus 169, which is 199. So 227. So 227 minus 199 is 28. So there are 28 students over there in Region 1. And in Region 1, those are colleges that only offered a liberal arts degree and did not offer a computer engineering or nursing degree. Now, before you even try to answer the questions that are posed to you in these application problems, it is very wise to construct a correct Venn diagram, as we have, and put a quantity, kind of like a cardinal number, in each one of those 8 regions. And then read the questions very carefully and look at the Venn diagram to figure out the answer. So for example, let's say the question said, well, how many colleges were in the survey? Well, to figure out how many colleges were in the survey, we would add up all those values that are in regions 1 through 8, and that would give us how many colleges were in the survey. So you would add up those 8 numbers to get that answer. If the question said how many of the colleges in the survey offered a liberal arts degree or a computer engineering degree, well, since it said liberal arts degree or computer engineering, that means we want all those colleges that are either in the LA circle or the CE for computer engineering circle. So that would be regions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We would total those cardinal numbers up to get the number of colleges that were in the liberal arts or computer engineering degrees. If they asked how many colleges offered a computer engineering degree and a nursing degree, well, and means intersection. So computer engineering and nursing would be the 28 and the 60, which would be 88, because and means intersection. Now if they said how many offered a computer engineering degree and a nursing degree, but not a liberal arts degree, then it would have to be outside of the liberal arts, because it said but not the liberal arts degree. So computer engineering and nursing, that'd be 28 and 60. But since it said but not liberal arts degree, that means we don't want the 28. So our answer would just be 60 colleges. So be very careful with how the wording of the problem is. If it said how many of the colleges in the survey offered only a computer engineering degree, well, since it said only offered a computer engineering degree, that means we don't want it to be in any of the other circles except for computer engineering. So that would be 10 colleges that are over there in region or area 3. Those 10 colleges only offer a computer engineering. Just like those 209 colleges at the bottom in region 7 only offer nursing, because they're outside of the circle for liberal arts and for computer engineering. Good luck.